Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Christys Finchley fur felt Trilby hat. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So this is Christys Royal Ascot hat box, and you can see the Christys London crest right here in close-up detail. And just taking a look around the box. It's slightly oval in shape, and at the back you can see the Royal Ascot emblem right there. So that's a full look around the box and on the underside as well. Now let's go ahead and pop the box lid off to reveal the Christys Finchley fur felt Trilby hat. And you can see that it is wrapped in plastic. Let's pop it out and set it down, and just showing you Christys Royal Ascot hat box here without the hat, with the hat removed of course. Giving you some idea of the size right there. I'm going to place my hand in the box to give you some sense of scale right there. Okay, now I'm going to set the box lid back on the box, and we can slide it to the side, perhaps on the left hand side right there. Okay, and now we have the Christys Finchley fur felt Trilby hat right here, wrapped in a clear plastic bag. So this one has some personalization to it in terms of monogramming. So the Finchley fur felt Trilby is available in 7 colors, as well as a variety of sizes from 55 centimeters, which is small, up to 62 centimeters, which is extra large. Let's go ahead and remove the hat from its plastic wrapper right there, and make sure you keep the wrapper safe away from children or toddlers. So giving you a nice good look right here at the Christys Finchley fur felt Trilby in navy. So as I mentioned, it's available in 7 colors, and navy is one of them, and this is the navy version. And you can see the ribbon around this hat, as well as the narrow or short brim around it. And it also has that detailing of the Christys crest pin, as well as dove feather just tucked between the hat and the ribbon. And just giving you an all-round look. So this size here is a large at 59 centimeters. So it starts with small at 55 all the way to 62, which is extra large. So giving you that all-round look at this Christys Finchley fur felt Trilby hat. And giving you that top-down view as well. So you have some idea of the width of the brim around the hat. And of course, the underside of it as well, with that very, very striking red lining. And close-up detail right there on the lining and the band inside of it. And once again, you can see the Christys logo in there, as well as some monogramming, so some personalization there. You can have up to 5 letters, as well as 6 numbers for the date. So name, 5 letters, and date, 6 numbers right there. And just taking a look around the inside of the hat. So you can see right there, it is handmade in England and made out of 100% fine fur felt. And giving you a close-up look at the finer details inside of the hat. Right there with the Christys London crest. Of course, you can see the tag for the hat. This is the Finchley model in navy. And some product literature right there about Christys, as well as their Panama and felt hats. Okay, so once again, giving you that look all around at Christys Finchley fur felt Trilby hat in navy at 59 centimeters or large in size. And that fine detailing there with the crest pin for Christys, and that little detail of feather right there, very soft to the touch, and of course the 100% fur felt construction of this Trilby hat. So size-wise, once again, 59 centimeters, which is classed as large, and with my hand over the top of the hat, giving you some sense of size and scale, or perspective right there, of this hat. Trilby with a short brim, or small brim, or narrow brim. And a two-tone ribbon right there with the gold edging, as well as the main majority black, although it does look slightly navy on the screen. It is actually quite dark, and overall the hat is a navy color, which is quite dark as well, so nearly to black in color. And once again, giving you that all-round look at this hat and its construction, shape, and detail. Looking at the front of the hat, the rear the left side, and of course the right side. So that's the Christys Finchley fur felt trilby hat in navy. Thanks for watching and happy accessorizing!